Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create an envelope here in DocuSign. All right, so first up, go ahead and log into your DocuSign account. Now, once you're in here on your dashboard, just go ahead over to Home or Agreements, okay? From Home, just click on Start and you'll be landed to the envelope section. And here, for example, under Agreements, just click on Start Now. All right, wait for it to load. As you can see here, it says Creating Envelope. So just wait for it. Upload a document and add envelope recipient. Okay, so first up, go ahead and click on Upload. Now you can go ahead and use any of your templates or upload directly from your desktop or use any other apps right here that is connected to your account. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and use a desktop. And then I'm going to open up maybe all of these PDFs right here. I'm going to hit on Open. Just wait for it to upload. Okay. And once that's done, if you want to reorder these files, okay, just click and hold on it and then move it wherever you want. Okay. And once that's done, go ahead and scroll down and add a recipient. Okay. If you are the only one who's going to sign this, just click on this tick box. Okay. If not, go ahead and click on this name right here or the name field. Just click on it. Now start typing the recipient, okay? For example, this guy right here. And once that's done, click on the drop down right here. If the person needs to sign, just click on this option, or in-person signer receives a copy or just needs to view, okay? Customization right here. If you want to, you can go ahead and add an access code or even add a private message, okay? If you want to add more recipients, just go ahead and click on Add Recipient. Okay, you can go ahead and click on the drop down and add from contacts, like so. Just click on the tick box and hit on Apply Selected. All right, then scroll down, email subject. You can go ahead and edit this one. Okay, if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and add in please complete with a DocuSign. Then email message right here, maybe urgent. Okay, and then once done, just hit on next. Wait for it to load. Now you can go ahead and edit your DocuSign right here. Okay. In the right panel, you have the preview of all of your files. Just click on it if you want to view it. Okay. You have the drop down in it. Now, for example, you just wanted a sign at the very last page. Okay. Just click on it. Now maybe add in signature right here and then initial like so. Okay. Then once done, you can now go ahead and send it. Wait for it. It says here document sent. It says here your envelope was sent. Okay. So if you go ahead over to your home, here we have the envelope. Okay. That's how you do it. That's how you create an envelope here in DocuSign. Now, if you want to create an envelope using another feature from DocuSign itself, you have that by using DocuSign Rooms. Okay. Don't worry, I'll leave this one in the description. Okay. As you can see here, we have envelopes here as well. Okay. And once you're done reading it, just go ahead over to rooms.docusign.com. And if you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click on Get Support for DocuSign Rooms. Okay. And that's basically how you do it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.